After a gentle rain, the sky was bright, but the rainbow bridge had turned gray. Bloopy looked up and saw the friendly sun.
Oh, Bloopy, my colorful bridge has faded. Can you help me restore its colors?
Sure, son. Let's bring back the colors together.
Under a tree, a shiny red apple caught Bloopy's eye.
A red apple. This will start the bridge. Red. Red returns and warms the sky.
In the pumpkin patch, something glimmered orange.
An orange pumpkin. Great find. Orange. Orange glows like evening light.
Then Bloopy discovered a golden flower swaying in the breeze.
A yellow flower. So cheerful. Yellow. Yellow brings the sunshine back.
Bloopy noticed soft green grass covering the meadow.
Green grass. Just what we need. Green. Green makes the bridge feel alive.
Bloopy looked up and saw the wide blue sky stretched endlessly.
Let's borrow a piece of blue. Blue. Now blue makes the colors sing.
At last, Bloopy spotted purple grapes on a vine.
Purple grapes, so bright and sweet. Purple. Now purple makes the colors dance.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
All the colors have returned. Thank you, Bloopy.
Red and orange, yellow too, green and blue and purple hue. Colors sparkle in the sky. Thanks to Bloopy, rainbows fly. Red